It's the next day in Munich and it's a very pleasant weather here. We're right now going for our breakfast and I'm gonna see you there. Whoa, look at the sky. Look at the tree there. We have got a little boot situation here. It's थोड़ा यहाँ से मतलब फटने लगे and I don't want to risk my complete trip on this boots. So we're gonna buy new boots today. We're gonna go boot shopping. Cheers! Super yum. This is the famous Marienplatz. Look at the architecture, guys. It's so beautiful. And this is the Viktualienmarkt. Whoa!
You like it?
Yeah, very nice.
It's this one.
Wow, cheese! Oh my god! Look at the variety of cheese. Okay, now we're going for our lunch and we are going where, baby?
We're going to Pronounce, Munich.
Pronounce Munich, right. Very difficult to pronounce.
Not difficult to pronounce.
Very difficult to pronounce.
Not difficult.
Okay, we'll see. So we're going there for lunch and kitne reviews are iske? 60,000.
60,000.
It has 60,000 plus reviews, so we're very excited. Let's go and check it out. Whoa. Ooh, fancy. Oh, wow. Where's your face, dude? I don't know. Where's your face, dude? Wow, such a pretty view. The shoe situation has worsened. Wow, that's my shoe. Okay, सीन ये है कि चलना मुश्किल हो गया है और अर्जेंटली हमें जूते चाहिए, तो ढूंढने पड़ेंगे कुछ ना कुछ. अब लेट्स सी. This is the shop.
ब्लैक वाला भी बाहर पड़ा हुआ वाला.
हील है ना? तो हील है. I really like this, but this has heels. Let's try. And second option is this. Looks more comfortable. We're getting this one. Yeah, these are kind of cute. Yay! Finally. Let's go dinner, baby. Let's go. Where are we going?
We're going to a pizza place, Italian, Wave Cafe Pizza Bar.
Is it good?
Looks like it from Google ratings.
Let's check it out. Place. cool vibe. Looks so cozy.
This one?
Hey.
And the vegetables?
Yay. So that was our amazing meal in Munich, and that was our last dinner in Munich. Tomorrow we are leaving from Munich and we are going to Switzerland. How do you like it?
Munich.
Yeah. It was good? Yeah, it was very nice. And also this is our last day in Germany. So yeah, on that note I'm gonna end this vlog and I'm gonna see you in the next vlog. Till then, do like, share and subscribe my channel, and